All right, another day out here in the woods. Weather has made things a little bit tougher. Steep little hill climb right here, but I want to get some of these trees down here while I still can get back in here. Pretty typical day. I can get down, turn around there, and that's kind of in the way. It's a dead ash. Not gonna get that one today, but I got to clean out around there because I do want that basswood right there. It's a big tree. Now on a tree like that, I'm not going to do a large face cut because it's so brittle. I'll do kind of a narrow angle cut and bore cut like usual, but I'm not worried about pulls. If anything, I'm more worried about it just falling that way instead of towards the tractor, you know. So yeah, I'm probably not going to get the lowest stump on that, and like I said, I'm not going to do an open face cut on that either because it's a basswood. It doesn't freaking matter, they don't pull. So let me just let the camera go. Yeah, and if you wonder how you get a little bit of water in the gas, there you go. Well, that wasn't a basswood, that was a big old red oak. And it went down the way it should. And I think the biggest problem I'm going to have is getting it out of there. I may have to drop the bulldozer and come back straight with the tractor. But yeah, I did this with a short bar, but I didn't cut the fiber twice. Boy, it smells good. Whew. Take that out in a couple of pieces, I think. God, I hope I can get it out of there. So, bore cut from the front, like I always do, and then got the bar out the side. Was able to stick the saw in that out the side cut and work my way back to this here, and then work the saw back to where I had a space right in there. And then I poked the saw in to get to this side, then came back and worked my way back to the holdwood. Finished off my hinge, and then nipped one, nipped the other, let it go. There's a lot of wood in that tree. At least 2 saw logs. But that's going to be a real pain to get out of there. I just don't know if I can. I'm going to give it a shot. See what I got. What I got to do before I get going too far, though, is I got to cut those root flares. Let me do that. Ugh. Alright. Let me see what I can get out of it. Yeah, this was fun. That there is about 28 to 30 inches across the butt. about 24 inches at the top. Got to get it up the hill. This was quite the challenge getting it out of here too. I got to come back and saw that up a little bit and pull out the rest of this log. That's not a bad tree. But yeah, it's basswood, so let me pull it up and out. Yeah, basswood's fun because it makes every chain look like it's sharp, you know. But anyway, let me haul this thing out of here.